loves. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Hannah, I'm 28, and I'm sharing my life up north with all of you. This week is all about starting some of the sowings, and also we got some more snow and some more northern lights, so stay tuned for that. Do some early sowings today. Some spinach and some onions. Let's see if that works. We shall see. I tried sowing delphinium last year, but for some reason they didn't work out. Since they're my favorite flowers, I'll try again this year in a blue and a lavender variety. I know that snails really love them, but I just really want those to work. So please cross your fingers for me. Earlier this week I went to an antique shop, and these are the goodies that I secured. These antique shops are scattered all around Sweden, and I paid about €3 for all of this, which is a bargain. This vase will be amazing in the summer for some cornflowers, and that wooden coaster thing almost has a Japanese feel to it, I feel like. Could be cool for a cocktail or mocktail to put underneath. My current obsession, Loka Citron, sparkling water with lemon flavor. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it, but it's giving summer, spring. I don't know, it's a good thing. As much as I'm excited for spring to arrive, I can't be anything other than stoked when I wake up to a winter wonderland. I just love when there's powder everywhere. It's just so magical, especially when the sun is shining. And I say that even after months and months, it really never gets old for me. Welcome to a room that you've never seen before. This is a room that is kind of like under the roof. It is a place where we store building stuff. It is a place where we work in the summer when it's really warm. We have a little corner over there. And in the winter, this is my room to store the dahlias, because this room gets quite cold, but not insane. Like, it's not freezing in here. So that's what's making it really practical for storing the dahlias. I'm going to check on them now, because dahlia season is almost upon us, at least dahlia ordering season. No! No, 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 no! Okay. Okay, bad news. Café au lait didn't make it, so I'm gonna order a new one. Sure what's up with the sun right now, but it's definitely giving us some magical northern lights lately. This was just at the fields 3 minutes from the house, and I was actually already in bed, snuggled up, when the alarm went off that there's activity. And yeah, how freaking magical. I even managed to snap a photo of the hot tub with some glow behind it. Even though it's probably not my best work yet, it's just so exciting that maybe at some point in the future I can watch the northern lights from the hot tub. I mean, that's just next level, isn't it? My dears, I hope you're having a good week. If you haven't yet, maybe consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. I will be back with a new video very, very soon. Until then, take good care.